Pat. Can you see? 2.
Listen, Chris, either sit in it and play it nicely, or don't go in it at all. You unjack it off, is that what it is? Is that what you're saying?
Am I choking on you?
Sit in the car nicely.
You're absolutely perfect.
Oh, look, he's lighting it.
He's lighting it.
Don't firework by the window.
That.
Wow. You're enjoying that, Ruby.
Hold it. You have to wait a minute. Someone's on the toilet.
I just want to roll average, got some too.
I've seen you with your bum.
Oh, Daddy's saying off a big one now.
Sophia, nicely.
Not a big one. Yeah, it goes flying into the air, watch.
Yeah.
Bam!
David Rhodes, did it?
Yeah, it did, it went.
What's the matter? Sit down. What's that? It's not your
4. Jerker, oh yeah. Did it for the views, can't tell. Oh. Hiya, Joe. We can come out now.
Quiet and go back in.
We're quiet and go back in. Show me your hood. Show me your unicorn hat. Put it on. Put it on. Show them. Ready? It's a unicorn. Hey Hardings, I hope you go see part 3. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave notifications on, and bye. Peace. Say bye, Evelyn.